welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what was in my Boxycharm and Allure beauty box for the month of February. So I get Boxycharm every month, however Allure, this is the first time for me. So it was exciting to see what I got in this box. And of course Max loves to play when I start filming. You know, before and after, he's just chilling, laying down. As soon as I start filming, he's just playing around all over the place. Yep, just walking around, just doing his thing. What are you doing? Okay, so we're going to start out with what was in my Boxycharm box this month. So when you open it, you get your, Max is sniffing too. He's like, what's in it? When you open it, you get first a card. The cards always just have a cute little design, and then on the back it'll tell you what was in your box, how much they're worth, a little bit about each product. Yeah. So the first item we have in the box is the No Problem Primer. Smooth and pore, covering top secret for perfect makeup, and it's from Touch in Sol. I've always wanted to try products from this brand, like some of their eye products. I just have, like, I haven't gotten around to it. So I'm excited to try out the primer. See how it feels on my hand. Max is like itching right now against the couch, so that's why it's so loud. So let's see. Oh, this primer feels really nice. It feels really smooth, but it also feels like it has a nice hydration, which is good because I tend to get dry. But it feels like it creates a really nice kind of matte barrier, which would be good to fill in like pores and whatnot. Seems really nice on my hand, at least. It smells really good too. Kind of reminds me of like a coconut smell. Next item is this Nude Stix Copper Foil Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. I have to see what this is. Okay, so it's the copper color, but magnetic luminous eye color. Well, I just put it over top of the primer because at first it wasn't really coming on. I'm like, why isn't it coming on? But that makes sense. Wow, that's so pretty. So that's just what the color looks like. So really pretty eye color from Nude Stix. Next, we just have a Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, which I've tried before, not my favorite. I usually either give this to my friend or my mom because they both really like it. Just wasn't for me. It's kind of a really wet formula and I just find it gets everywhere. Not a big fan personally, but yeah. So next I'm so excited for is the Sol De Janeiro Coco Cabana Cream, and it's, yeah, so this is one of their new like body creams, and I haven't smelled it yet, so I'm so excited to smell this because their original smells so good, so I'm sure this smells incredible as well. This one smells more like cakey almost, like a frosting scent. Still like you could wear it, like it still kind of reminds me of the beach, but almost with like a frosted cake like vibe to it, if that makes sense. It smells really good, like very like indulgent, like if that makes sense. Still think the original in the yellowish orange packaging is my favorite, but I'm still going to try this out and see how I like it. The last item in the Boxycharm box is this Pretty Vulgar Bronzed Bee 113 Bronze Mankini. But this is just what it looks like here. Really pretty shade. I think this is going to look really good on my complexion. Excited to try that one out. See how it swatches. Ooh. Let's see. Wow, that's nice. So it's really pigmented, so I'm gonna have to brush into it lightly when I put it on my face. But that could probably be used for darker skin tones too if they built it up, because I like kind of rub my finger into it a decent amount. Really pretty shade though. So that was everything that I got in my Boxycharm this month. We're going to go on to my Allure beauty box. This is just what the Allure beauty box looks like here. So when you open it up, it is a pink writing. It just says the Allure beauty box there. Then it comes with a little pamphlet here. This looks like that. And it says exclusive promo codes inside. So pretty much it just has some words from the editor, and then it shows you the products inside, what you get, with a little bit about them, and then prices as well. It also came with a $25 gift. Use code Allure25 at checkout. That's for like dainty jewelry, so if any of you guys want to get dainty jewelry. On the inside is this really cute black kind of see-through clutch. Has really cute gold detailing like snaps right there. And then so this just pops open. And then inside is the products. So the first product is the Maman Flower Lab Essence Mask Magnolia. It says Maman reinvents beauty by cultivating the power and energy derived from flowers. Interesting. Where we study the wisdom of nature, revealing the energy in flowers that enhance beauty. Brighten, Light Fit Cell Serum Type. So that is just what it looks like there. So it's just like a sheet mask. Then we also just have a angled, it looks kind of like a dense angled brush from Moda brushes here. It's a gold brush. And then we just have a Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. Just what it looks like here. I think I have one of these in like a maroon or reddish color from this brand that I've gotten in a previous like Boxycharm box, I think months ago. I've yet to try it because I have so many mascaras, but I'll definitely have to try it and see how I like it. We have a Model Co. Metallic Eyeshadow Trio here. Nope, just dropped it. So it's a cute little trio. Packaging seems kind of like cheapish. Okay, if I can open this. So you open it and then it has 3 different shades there. It looks like it has a burgundy shade, a peachy gold shade, and then a brown gold shade. And this trio set is called Mykonos. So that's just what it looks like there, if you guys can kind of see that. Then we also have a little Vitamin C Derma E Vitamin C Concentrated Serum Hyaluronic Acid. Vitamin C is always good, so I'm excited to try this out. Tried a few things from Derma E and I have liked their products, so definitely have to try this little guy out soon. And we have a Brow Gal Instant Tinted Brow Gel with Microfibers, and I'm pretty sure I have this already. I've gotten this in a Boxycharm as well, and I have yet to try that one, so probably give this to one of my friends or save it for a giveaway. But yeah. And then it looks like, yeah, the last item, oops, and this totally stinks. My bag is already ripping. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like ripping already. That's really sad and depressing. I'm so upset because I really was going to use this bag, but I don't know how well I can use it now if it's ripping. Last item is Maman Petal Spa Oil to Foam Flower Rose. So it's an oil, petal spa oil that I guess foams up. It's a cleansing foam. So that's just what that looks like there. So that's just everything that I got in my Allure beauty box. First time ever getting this box. I don't know if I'm still going to keep this subscription, honestly. I'm not like amazed with anything that I got. Kind of sad that the bag's already starting to rip. So I may cancel it, but we'll see. So that is everything that I've gotten in my Boxycharm and my Allure beauty boxes for the month of February. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. If you do want to see more of my monthly subscriptions, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I'm thinking of getting some other different monthly subscription boxes. I have to look into them, but if you guys have any recommendations or anything like that, definitely leave me a comment below as well. And until my next one, bye!